Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add friends on Marvel Rivals. Alright, adding friends in Marvel Rivals is simple and it enhances your multiplayer experience. You can easily add them by using the in-game friend system right here at the top right. Again, this icon, people icon, just tap on it and just enter the ID right here. You can just go ahead and put the username right here or ID of your friend. Username, this right here, M4MFPS is my username. When we click on our username right here, you should be able to see your UID or user ID. You can just go ahead and copy this one or let your friends copy it and send it to you. And you can just go ahead and post their UID right here. All right. It says here not found because it's literally me. Now, another way is by adding friends through Steam or PlayStation Network or even Xbox Live. All right. If you have friends right here on your Steam app, these ones, if they are online on Marvel Rivals, you should just be able to see them right away right here. All right. Now, if you have a friend request and you don't know where to locate it, just go ahead and click on the profile icon right here or the people icon. Then click on request. Right here, you should be able to see the list of people that wanted to be your friend. All right. Just hit on the check mark or confirm and you're good to go. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.